I'm gonna get demonetized for that. But like I said before, just subscribe, click that notification bell so you know when I'm making videos. Comment down below and like that video up. Like it up. Like this video up. Alright. I don't really got much to say. I just wanted to make a video for tonight. The last video for today. I'll make it more tomorrow. And after that, and the next day, and the next day, and the next day, and the next day. I'm making videos every day. Vlogs. Music videos. Whatever you guys want, I will do. I will do whatever you guys want, except for dangerous stuff. So whatever you guys want, I will do. Alright, stay safe, don't do drugs. Peace, love you guys.